Olivia. What colors will you choose for me and my yummy cake today?
Hello, little unicorn. Welcome to Olivia Calling. Let's color you and your yummy cake with beautiful and happy colors.
Yummy, yummy, what do I see? A little unicorn baking happily. A cake on the table, colors all around. Let's make something sweet with a happy sound. Little unicorn wears a hat, mixing colors just like that. Pink frosting, soft and bright, making every swirl look right. Round little cake, standing tall, waiting for colors on it all. Hearts on the side, cream on top, decorating fun will never stop. Pick a color, make it sweet, put a little frosting nice and neat. Swirl it here, swirl it there, magic colors everywhere. Cake, cake, colorful cake, look what colors we can make. Swirl, swirl, round and round, pretty frosting can be found. Cake, cake, sweet and bright, every color looks just right. Cake, cake, come and see, a yummy color treat for you and me. Swirl, 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 frosting on the cake. Color, 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 what will Olivia make? Swirl, 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 pretty as can be, a magical cake for you and me. The bowl has frosting, the spoon can stir, the piping bag makes little swirls. A cake stand holds the cake up high like a sweet surprise, reaching for the sky. One little heart, two little hearts, colors fill the sweetest parts. Little by little, line by line, the cake begins to shine, shine, shine. Pick a color, soft or bright, make the cake a happy sight. Pink or yellow, blue or green, the sweetest cake we've ever seen. Cake, cake, colorful cake, look what colors we can make. Swirl, swirl, round and round, pretty frosting can be found. Cake, cake, sweet and bright, every color looks just right. Cake, cake, come and see, a yummy color treat for you and me. Can we color the frosting? Yes, yes, yes. Can we color the hearts? Yes, yes, yes. Can we color the cake stand? Yes, yes, yes. Make it bright and fun. Yes, yes, yes. Mix it, swirl it, make it sweet. Colorful cake looks good to eat. Stir it, decorate, watch and see. Olivia makes it beautifully. Unicorn smiles with happy eyes, making a cake surprise. Every color dolly that we choose makes a little magic bloom. Soft little frosting, tiny hearts, every color plays its part. A sweet little cake, a happy day. Colors make us want to play. A little bit of magic, a little bit of care. A sweet, colorful moment floating in the air. The cake is getting brighter, the smiles are growing too. Every pretty color feels brand new. One little color, two little colors, three little colors more. Every little color makes us smile more and more. Cake, colorful cake, look what colors we can make. Swirl, swirl, round and round, pretty frosting can be found. Cake, cake, sweet and bright, every color looks just right. Cake, cake, come and see, a yummy color treat for you and me. Swirl, 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 frosting on the cake. Color, 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 what will Olivia make? Swirl, 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 pretty as can be, a magical cake for you and me. Little unicorn, cake so bright, colors make it feel just right. Sweet little frosting, heart so new, a colorful cake made by you.
Wow, my yummy cake looks so colorful and delicious.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!